Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Spocket for US suppliers, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Spocket and hit enter. Select the official Spocket website from the search results. Once on the Spocket homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on it to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After entering your details, agree to the terms of service. Click on Sign Up to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from Spocket. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Spocket website and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Spocket dashboard. Here, you'll see options for browsing suppliers and products. To focus on US suppliers, use the filter options. Locate the filter button on the top left of the product section. Click on the filter and select US suppliers from the drop-down menu. The product list will now only display items from US suppliers. Take your time to browse through the various product offerings. When you find a product you're interested in, click on it for more details. Review the product information, including pricing and shipping times. If you decide to proceed, click on Import to My Store. Follow the prompts to connect your online store if you haven't done so yet. After successfully importing the product, it will appear in your store inventory. Repeat this process for any additional products you wish to add. Once you're satisfied with the products in your store, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you can configure your shipping options and payment settings. Make sure to adjust these settings to align with your business needs. Finally, preview your store to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied with the setup, you're ready to start selling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.